Good afternoon, children. Once again, welcome to the 7th video of HTML. In today's video, we will learn about paragraph tag. Now, as you know, paragraph, when we write a set of sentences and it is framed in the form of a paragraph, here when we write any paragraph in HTML, in Notepad suppose, and we want to see it through browser, we need to specify it with the help of a tag so that browser can recognize it as a paragraph. What is paragraph tag? What is the use basically? So paragraph tag or p tag marks a block of text as a paragraph, wherein starting tag of p marks the beginning of the paragraph, and when we close the tag, that marks the end of a paragraph. So we need to specify in HTML, we need to specify where we are beginning a paragraph and where we are ending the paragraph. For that purpose, we make use of p tag. Now, question arises, why do we need p tag? Why do we need to specify that this is a paragraph? Why don't we simply type it? The reason being, the browser does not recognize enter key. It will not identify it. How do you understand the browser does not identify enter key? You remember in last video we had studied about BR tag. Even if you keep on pressing enter in Notepad, when you see in the output, it will not recognize. So in order to mark that enter, in order to give that line break, we use BR tag. So we need to specify with the help of a tag called BR. So here also, for paragraph also, browser will not identify the enter key there. So we need to make use of paragraph tag. Browser does not even recognize tabs or even more than one space between the words. Even the space key between the words, that browser does not specify. We must tell the browser when to go to the next line. How do we say the browser to go to the next line? By using BR tag. If you remember, we used it last week. The text between opening tag of paragraph and closing tag of paragraph is by default left aligned. So the alignment of any paragraph, by default it is left aligned. In case you want to change the alignment of any paragraph, you can change the alignment by using align attribute that is specified in the p tag. The format is given on the screen. You can see there, p align equals to value. Now this value can be left, right or center. We'll see it practically also. So the attribute of p tag is align, and the possible values of align are left, right and center. Otherwise also, when we write any paragraph in a notebook, we make the alignment left aligned. Generally our alignment is left aligned. So by default also it is left aligned. Paragraph is always left aligned. Now let us see a small assignment here, in which what we have done is, we have taken only one paragraph and the alignment set is left aligned. After typing this, you can go to file, save as. You can take any paragraph, children. It's not necessary what I have given that paragraph. You can take any paragraph of your English textbook or any other textbook. That also you can type. Next, after saving, file, save as I told you, it should be all files file name.html. See the output by select the file name, like here it is web page 4. Right click, open with any of the browser, like I have chosen here Google Chrome. You can see the output there. Since the paragraph alignment was center aligned, it was center aligned, so you can see the paragraph here center aligned. Now in the next page, what I have done is, same paragraph I have just copy pasted the same tag. You don't need to type such a lengthy thing. Please don't type it. What I have done is, HTML head, title close, head close, body bg color equals to yellow, text equals to red, then p align equals to center. There I have closed p tag. I have just copy pasted this 3 times, and I have changed the value of align in each. So the first paragraph's alignment is center, second paragraph's alignment is left, third is right, and then body tag is closed, HTML is closed. So when you do it practically, please follow this process. Don't type the entire paragraph. Once you type and then copy paste it 2 times more and then change the value of align. This file again I have saved it, and the output is shown like this. You can see the output on the screen. The first paragraph is center aligned, second paragraph is left aligned, and the third one is right aligned. Now, questions of this assignment of what is the use of p tag? Please note down this question answers in your notebook. Second question, what are the possible values of align attribute of p tag? So what are the possible values? Left, right, and center. Practice the assignment explained in the video. For those who it is possible, please do practice this assignments. Alright. Thank you, children. I'll end the video here. Thank you so much.